Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're shedding light on the best grow light for indoor gardening enthusiasts, the AGLEX K4000 LED grow light. If you're passionate about nurturing your indoor plants, whether it's herbs, vegetables, or flowers, this is the ultimate tool for you. Let's dive into why the AGLEX K4000 stands out as the top choice for growing up to 6 plants. First off, let's talk about its upgraded features. The AGLEX K4000 now comes equipped with a daisy chain function, allowing you to connect multiple grow lights effortlessly. This means you can expand your growing space without sacrificing control. Plus, with the step-less dimmer knob, you have complete flexibility to adjust the brightness according to your plant's needs at different growth stages. But what truly sets this grow light apart is its impressive performance. Despite consuming only 400 watts of power, the AGLEX K4000 delivers a high average ppfd with 2,343 UML per meter 2 per second, ensuring optimal growth from seedling to harvest. And with its full spectrum coverage, including 4000K white light, deep red, IR, and UV, your plants receive the perfect balance mimicking natural sunlight. Now, let's talk about heat dissipation. Thanks to its LED light board style and aluminum construction, heat is efficiently dispersed, maintaining a comfortable environment for your plants without the need for noisy fans. This not only ensures longevity but also contributes to lower energy bills. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the AGLEX K4000's performance and build quality. From its easy setup to its reliability, it's a favorite among indoor gardeners looking to achieve impressive yields. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best grow light for up to 6 plants, look no further than the AGLEX K4000 LED grow light. With its advanced features, superior performance, and rave reviews, it's the perfect companion for your indoor gardening journey. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews. Happy growing!